What's the meaning of astronomical unit? Astronomical unit. Astronomical unit.
Astronomical unit. Astronomical unit. An astronomical unit, AU, is a unit of distance used in astronomy. It is defined as the distance between the Earth and the Sun, which is approximately 93 million miles or 150 million kilometers. The AU is useful for measuring distances within our solar system, such as the distance between planets or between asteroids and comets. It allows astronomers to easily compare and calculate the size and scale of celestial objects. Overall, the astronomical unit is an important tool for understanding and studying our solar system.